Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to clear cache on iPhone Safari. How to clear the cache on iPhone Safari. So I want you to note that this method I'm about to show you will only clear the cache from Safari and will not delete your search history. If you want to delete your Safari search history, I already have a video about that. You can easily go and watch the video. You actually get it. But this video is mainly to show you how to clear the cache on Safari. So to clear the cache from your Safari, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to settings on your iPhone. So once you come to the settings, it will pop up the settings page for you. As you can see, we are inside the settings. So the next thing you want to do here, I want you to scroll down all the way to the bottom. So I want you to tap on apps. So once you tap on apps, I want you to look for Safari. Just scroll down on the apps and look for Safari over there. We have the Safari here. So I want you to tap on Safari. So once you tap on Safari, I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom. So once you get to the bottom, you are going to see where they wrote advanced. So I want you to tap on that advanced. So once you tap on the advanced, it will bring up another page for you. On this page, if you check the top, the upper top, you are going to see where it says website data. So I want you to tap on that website data. So once you tap on the website data, it will bring up a page for you that contains your cache. So what you want to do here, if you check the bottom part here, the lower part, you are going to see where they wrote remove all website data. So I want you to just tap on that remove all website data and your cache will be removed and cleared and also deleted from your Safari. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.